Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. So students, in the last lecture we have already learned the half part. So now we will be continuing with the remaining part, that is lesson number 7, Our Village, Our City, part 2. So students, now look at this map of Brihan, Mumbai. It shows the major roads, railways and famous places in Brihan, Mumbai. Now let us learn more about the map with the help of symbols and directions. So children, now let us find the airport on the map and circle it. Find the caves on the map and square around it. Find the national park and make and square around it. Now let us find the fort on the map and square it. Now let us find the cave on the map. Now let us find the race course on the map. So children, in this map many famous places of Brihan, Mumbai is shown. Now let us find which are those. In the map, monorail rule is shown. From this map, we also get information Brihan Mumbai railway route. Children, now look at this map of Nashik. It shows the major roads, railways and famous places in Nashik. Now let's learn more about map with the help of symbols and directions. From the map, we get to know that the Nashik district is connected to Thane, Daun, Aurangabad and Kolkata to rail route. The National Highway of Mumbai, Aurangabad passes through Nashik district. Now let us find the fort on this map. Now let us find the cave on the map. Let us find the centuries on the map and circle them. So students, in this map many famous places in Nashik are shown. Let us have a look at them. Look at this map of Thane. It shows the major roads, railways and famous places in Thane. Now let's learn more about the map with the help of symbols and directions towards the northwest of Thane district near. Dahanu symbol is shown. This symbol is also shown in the title with the help of the symbol title in the map. Port is shown towards the west of Thane district. Many other ports are shown. Let us find out which are those. Thane is connected by Rail Mumbai, Panvel, Nasik, Pune and Ahmedabad. 3 national highways pass through Thane district. On the map, symbols of forts are shown on Arnala and Vasai. In this map, many famous places in Thane district are shown. Let's see which are those. So students, now look at this map of Pune. It shows the major roads, railways and famous places in Pune. Now let's learn more about the map with the help of symbols and directions. There are 3 national highways: Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore. Pune Nasik and Pune Solapur pass through the Pune district. Mumbai Solapur, Mumbai Miraj and Daun Baramati etc. are the rail routes that pass through the Pune district. Pune Airport is located at Hogaon. The caves are located at the Karle and Bhaje. Now let us locate the forts on the map. The map also shows many ghats. This map shows many famous places of Pune district. Let us see which are those. So students, now let us see what is a communication. We transport goods from one place to another. In the same way, we also transfer messages from one place to another. The sending and receiving of messages is called communication. We get information through communication like postal service, internet, cell phones, newspapers, television, radio, telephones are various modes of communication that we use. All these modes of communication are used to send and receive the information. These modes of communication help us to send and receive information instantly and also spread the information to the whole world. In earlier days, the messages were sent and received through the man and carried it from one place to another. This messenger carried message from one place to another by foot, on horse, or camel backs. In some places, messages were sent by tying it to the leg of the trained pigeon. In places where internet, mobiles, telephones, postal service, newspapers, television, radio, etc. are the main modes of communication. So students, now we will see about dialects. We use different languages to communication and thoughts with others. Various languages are spoken in different parts of the world. For example, Marathi is spoken in Maharashtra, but the same language is spoken differently in different parts of Maharashtra. It is influenced by other languages, which means that words from different languages are used while speaking Marathi. This creates a dialect. For example, Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra, while Ahirani, Malwani, and Varadi are Marathi dialects. So, students, now let us remember what we have learned in this lesson. First, cities and villages are interrelated. Second, modes of transport and communication. Third, benefits of modes of transport and communication. Fourth, use of dialects. Thank you.